In this video, I'll be covering how to get unbanned from Roblox and be able to go and appeal your ban. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel, and once you've done that, please go and consider leaving a like as well if this video did help you out, because it helps get this video to more people. And also, please do watch this video right until the end so you know all of the tutorial and all of the tips I'm going to be giving you. So if you have gone and got banned on Roblox, it usually means you've gone and done something wrong, i.e. broken the Roblox community guidelines. However, there may be some exceptions where you believe that you actually didn't deserve to get banned. So if that is the case, I'll be showing you how you can go and appeal your ban. Now when you try and log into Roblox, you're going to go and get a notification saying something like banned for 3 days, banned for 7 days, banned for 30 days, and it's going to go and tell you the note and some other information as well. Now what you have got to consider is when you appeal your ban, if you were banned for a genuine reason because you did break the Roblox rules, then you aren't going to get unbanned. You can only get unbanned if this is a genuine mistake by Roblox. So let's go and jump into this. So either on your mobile device or computer, you want to come to Google or just another search engine, and all you want to do is search for Roblox support form, just like so. So you want to search for Roblox support form, and then you want to come to support-Roblox. Make sure it's the official roblox.com website, and it's going to take you to the contact us support form. Then all you want to do is under contact information is enter your username, your first name, your email address, and your email address again, and then we can go and get into the issue details. So you need to go and select the device you're having the problem on, so just go and select the device you're using. So I'm using a PC, and then for type of help, you want to scroll down until you see moderation, and then under here, you can go and click on appeal account or content, just like so, and then in here, you need to go and describe why you should be unbanned from Roblox and why it was a mistake. So go and describe exactly why, and once you've done that, you then need to go and click submit, and you're going to have to wait a few days as well for Roblox to sort of process this. Please do consider this is not guaranteed, and it's only going to work if Roblox made a genuine mistake or if there was some confusion of some sort. But yeah, that's literally today's video, guys. For more Roblox tutorials, please go and check out the channel. I look forward to catch you in the next one. Peace.